Tell us what we're doing. Hey.
Where'd they go?
Go run up on the stage. Go. Oh, thanks. Say touchdown. Oh, come on, bud. Let's go. We'll keep him out of your way. Jacob, come here. Sorry. All right, dude. Yeah, maybe one day. Did you win? Let's go. We're down here on the track in the Georgia Dome. This is big pimpin'. All right, dude, let's roll. Come give me a thumbs up. How was tonight?
Good.
What'd you see?
Where'd they go?
What? Look at me.
Where'd they go?
All right.